Hi guys, so today I have another quick video. I got in a few things. I got in some aligned diamond dye in the purple lavender color. These are really cute. They're 25-inch. The color is really nice. It goes really well with this top actually, which is also Lululemon. And then I got these crazy Wunder trains. They're red and black. These are 25-inch. And then I just got a pair of Align 23 with pockets. These are the teal color. Really cute also. And then just a regular pair of Aligns that are shadow blue color. One of my favorite colors that they no longer make. So, okay. These are the diamond dye Align 25. And these are, I'm going to look them up for you because I kind of got a brain fart at the moment. But they're super cute on. They're like a pink and a violet purple color. So I believe every diamond dye Align is different. These are really cute on. Okay, and these are a pair of Wunder Train in 25-inch. These are a red and black dyed ones. I'm going to put exactly what color they are down below. But these are really flattering. The color really pops. Really cute on. An Everlux material. Love this color. And these are the Align 23 with pockets. So I don't think there's a big difference for me, in my opinion, from the 23 to the 25. They really hit me almost the same point at my ankles. I am 5'7", but my legs are like a regular length, like an average. So really convenient pockets. There's also a pocket in the back waistband. And I love this color. And lastly, I have the Shadow Blue Align 25, which is one of my favorite colors. It's like a gray with a tint of blue. It's like a darker color, so that's a plus. They do not make these anymore, which is sad, but they do have similar colors. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, really short and sweet. And follow me on Instagram if you're not, at Becca Buot. And I have a Facebook group called Lululemon Addicts and a Facebook page called Becca Buot Apparel. And I do sell each and every item, so let me know if you're interested, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.